Our final entry joins us now. It's Charlotte Novy from Hinsdale, Illinois. Charlotte's riding Hillcrest Songbird, training with Lynn Jane and Our Day Farm. Charlotte's been riding for 4 years and qualified at Ledges in January. They were 4th in the Washington Horse Show in the Small Ponies in 2014, and she placed at the Pennsylvania National Horse Show as well. She was the IHJA Short Stirrup High Point Rider in 2012. She enjoys dancing and horseback riding. It's Charlotte Novy, 12-year-old rider, our last to go before we test our top 4. Our 5th award to 795, Charlotte Novy.